Stress, an ubiquitous challenge, poses significant risks to our mental and physical health, affecting our ability to think clearly and function effectively. Managing stress is critical for sustaining overall well-being. This narration delves into the nature of stress, a response to physical or emotional pressure that manifests in various symptoms like anxiety, fatigue, and irritability. Understanding its impact is vital. It can compromise our immune system, reduce productivity, and if left unchecked, lead to serious health complications. Effective stress management not only enhances our health but also improves our happiness and productivity, making it fundamental in striving for a balanced life. Deep breathing exercises are a powerful tool for calming the mind and body, enhancing overall relaxation. By focusing on slow, controlled breaths, these exercises increase oxygen flow and stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which reduces stress and promotes a state of calmness. To perform, start by finding a comfortable sitting position. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your chest and lower belly to rise as you fill your lungs. Hold this breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth or nose. Repeating this process several times can significantly alleviate stress and improve one's state of mind. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is a stress relief technique that involves tensing specific muscle groups followed by a relaxation phase with release of the tension. This method helps identify areas of tension and promotes relaxation throughout the body. To practice PMR, begin by tensing the muscles in your feet, hold for a few seconds, and then relax them. Gradually work your way up through different muscle groups, legs, abdomen, chest, arms, and face. With each cycle, you should find your stress levels decreasing, causing a noticeable improvement in both physical and mental relaxation. Mindfulness and meditation stand as cornerstone techniques in cultivating mental balance and well-being. Mindfulness encourages an enhanced awareness of the present moment, teaching practitioners to observe their thoughts and feelings without judgment. Meditation, on the other hand, involves various techniques like focused attention on breathing, a phrase, or object to achieve mental clarity and emotional calmness. Regular practice of these techniques can lead to significant reductions in stress and anxiety, improvements in concentration, and an overall sense of peace. Together, mindfulness and meditation foster a balanced mental state, facilitating a better handle on daily stresses. Effective time management is pivotal in reducing stress, as poor organization often leads to rushed deadlines and a pervasive sense of being overwhelmed. By mastering time management skills, individuals can alleviate stress and enhance productivity. Practical tips include prioritizing tasks by urgency and importance, setting realistic goals, and breaking large projects into manageable steps. Additionally, employing tools like calendars and to-do lists can help keep track of responsibilities and deadlines. Allocating specific times for breaks and leisure activities is also crucial, as it ensures a balanced routine, preventing burnout and maintaining overall mental well-being.